Just before we start this question, I'd like to remind you with some information. It's a good idea to write it down before you start your tick-free exam for circular functions. That is the exact values using the two triangles. You don't have to remember the table. So remember that in a right angle triangle, any side that is opposite to 30-degree angle is half the hypotenuse. Second triangle is a isosceles triangle, 45 degrees, or pi on 4. Pi on 4. Ratios are 1, 1, and the hypotenuse is √2. Third, basic shapes of sine, cos, and tan. And alternative also to remember the values of sine, cos, tan, 0, pi, and 2 pi, 3 pi, and 2 pi is using the unit circle. Coordinates of the points in a circle with the radius is 1. Coordinates are 1 and 0. So x coordinate represents cos and y coordinate represents sine. In order to find tan y on x, or sine over cos, remember also that all ratios are positive in the first quadrant, sine only is positive in the second, tan only is positive in the third, cos is positive in the fourth. Let's go back to our question. We need to find solutions for x between minus pi and pi inclusive for the equation minus sine x equal to √3 cos x. So minus sine x equals √3 cos x. A good idea for such a question is to divide your answering space. So it is hard to deal with two ratios in one equation. So if I divide both sides by cos x, we'll end up working only on one trig ratio, because sine over cos is tan. Tan x equal to minus √3, x equals inverse tan of minus √3. Now, inverse tan minus √3, tan is negative from 0 to pi in the second quadrant. And this is the positive direction of measuring the angle, anti-clockwise. Second quadrant, where x is equal to pi take theta. What is theta? Basic angle in the first quadrant, that is inverse tan of √3. From your exact values, inverse tan of √3 is pi on 3. So answer here is 2 pi on 3. From 0 to minus pi, 0 to minus pi, tan is negative in the fourth quadrant. So the second value for x is 2 pi take theta. That is 2 pi take away the basic angle in the first quadrant. 2 pi take away pi on 3. That is 5 pi on 3. But remember, you need to find it from minus pi to pi. So equivalent angle to 5 pi on 3 is this angle, which is minus 2 pi plus 5 pi on 3. Minus 2 pi plus 5 pi on 3. That is minus pi on 3. All the best.